class. Today we will discuss about the strength of aggregates. So today we will discuss about the how to determine the aberration value of the aggregate. First of all, you should know that what is the aberration value of aggregate. It is defined as the resistance to wear offered by the aggregate, and this value is important for the concrete mass which is used as a pavement or any surface area. So this value is important for particular designation use. So how we can determine this aberration value? We have a different methods for finding the aberration value of the aggregates. First one is the Los Angeles aberration value test. Second one is the Devil aberration test. Third one is the Dory aberration test. We will discuss the Los Angeles aberration value test in detail. So our object is this method of the test methods of determining the aberration value of the coarse aggregate by the use of Los Angeles machine. You can refer Indian Standard 2386 Part 4 1996 and apparatus used for finding the aberration value of the aggregate are Los Angeles machine, which diameter is 50 centimeter and length is 70 centimeter or 700 mm. Clear? So this is the Los Angeles machine used for finding the aberration value of the aggregate, and you need a balance with 1 gram accuracy, and you also need that the IS sieve 1.7 mm. Grading of the test samples. Before the starting our test, you, you should understand this table. We have a different grading of the aggregate like A, B, C, D, E, F and G grade. Clear? So these are the different grades we have. This grades is depend on the uses of the designated area, and these are the sieve size. First one is a passing mm and second one is a written in mm. Clear? And for example, we are taking a B grade of the sample. So we need 2.5 kg plus 2.5 kg of the sample for finding the aberration value of the aggregate. But 2.5 for 20 mm passing and 12.5 mm written for 2.5 kg, and second sample I'll take 12.5 mm passing and 10 mm written. It means my total weight of the sample is 2.5 plus 2.5, total 5 kg of cement for particular B grade of the sample. Clear? So this table you should refer before the starting, before the collecting the sample of the aggregate. And in the Los Angeles machine, we have to apply the load by the spherical ball or cast iron spherical ball. Clear? So you have to add this type of the spherical balls which diameter is 48 mm and weight of this ball between 390 to 445 gram. Clear? So how many sphere you have to add in this test? which is also dependent on the type of the grade, the type of the sample grade. So once again, you should refer this table, the grading of sample like grade A, grade B, grade C, D, E, F and G. Clear? So number of the sphere, it's depend on the grading of the sample. For example, if you have a grade A sample, you have to add the 12 number of the sphere on the Los Angeles machine. And as we know, we have taken the grade B sample. So we have to add 11 number of the sphere, 11 number of the cast iron sphere ball added to the Los Angeles machine, which weight between which weight is 4584 gram plus or minus 20 grams. Clear? So you should have to refer for the adding the how many number of the sphere you have to add for the particular sample, for the particular grade of the aggregate. Let us understand procedure for finding the aberration value of the aggregate. The test shall be consist of the clean aggregate which has been dried in a oven at 105 ounce Celsius to 110 ounce Celsius, constant weight and shall conform to the one of the grading shown in table. Remember that we have taken the grade B sample 2.5 kg plus 2.5 kg and we have to add 11 number of the sphere ball for grade B. So we have taken a B grade of the aggregate and the test sample and the abrasive charge shall be placed in the Los Angeles machine. Now we have to prepare our setup and we have to add the aggregate and with the spherical ball in the Los Angeles machine, and the machine rotate a speed of 20 to 33 revolution per minute. It means it will rotate with its longitudinal axis 20 to 33 rotation in a minute. Clear? And next one is for grading. How much rotation is required to complete this process? Once again, you have to refer the grades of the sample. If you have A, B, C and D grade, then you have to allow to rotate 500 revolution. If you have E, F and G, it means you have to allow the rotate it 1000 revolution or revolution to complete this process. At the completion of the test, the material shall be discharged from the Los Angeles machine and preliminary separation of the sample made on the sieve coarser than 1.7 mm IS sieve. Now you have to separate the sample which is greater than 1.7 mm and less than 1.7 mm. The material coarser than the 1.7 mm IS sieve shall be washed dried in an oven 105 ounce Celsius to 110 ounce Celsius to a constant weight and accurately weighed to the nearest gram. Aggregate abrasion value in percentage. This value is also given by the percentage that you can easily calculate it. The weight of the aggregate passing through 1.7 mm IS sieve. You have already applied to the load by the spherical ball and revolution and aggregate got crushed, and then you have to sieve this aggregate by the 1.7 mm and you have to collect the sample which is passed from the 1.7 mm sieve, and that weight, which is the weight of the aggregate passing from 1.7 mm IS sieve in gram divided by weight of the aggregate you have taken the 2.5 plus 2.5 at the starting of the test, multiply by 100, and then you can easily calculate it. You can easily calculate the percentage of the aberration value. Calculation: weight of aggregate A, weight of aggregate passing from 1.7 mm IS sieve and aggregate aberration value in percentage B by A multiplied by 100. Result, you will get the value, the percentage, maximum permissible aberration value in percentage. So there are some criteria for different type of the payments, like WBM subsurface course. So it should not be more than 60% of the aberration value. For example, WBM base course with bituminous surfacing, it should not be more than 50%. Bituminous bound makeup 50%. WBM surface course 40%. Bituminous penetration makeup 40%. Bituminous surface dressing cement concrete surface course 35%, and bituminous concrete surface course 30%. So this is the limiting value for different type of the payments for maximum aberration value.